In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how you can easily highlight your mouse cursor for better visibility in tutorial videos or presentations. This is a frequently asked question from viewers who want to know how to achieve this effect. Highlighting your cursor helps viewers follow along with your instructions and see where you're clicking. There are two methods I'll show you. The first method utilizes Windows native functionality and doesn't require any additional software installation. We'll add a cursor file with a halo effect to Windows. The second method involves installing software that provides more customization options, such as adjusting the size of the halo. To begin, open the Mouse Settings dialog by searching for Mouse in the taskbar search field and selecting the Mouse Settings option. In the Mouse Settings dialog, click on Additional Mouse Options on the right-hand side. This will open the Mouse Properties window with several tabs. Click on the Pointers tab to view the default Windows pointer icons. These icons represent different cursor variations for various situations. Our goal is to add a halo around the cursor, but Windows doesn't have a built-in option for that. We'll need to find a cursor file with a halo effect. Visit websites like Real World Designer, rwdesigner.com, to download cursor files. They offer a wide selection of cursor images, and you can even create your own if you have design skills. On the Real World Designer website, navigate to the Gallery section to explore different cursor files. You can sort by downloads to find popular choices. Choose a cursor file with a halo effect that matches your preference. Once downloaded, you'll have a CUR file, which is similar to a PNG, JPEG, or GIF file. It's safe to download and won't harm your computer. Windows will ask for administrative permissions since you're modifying system files. To add the new cursor file to Windows, go back to the Mouse Properties window and click on Browse under the Customize section. Navigate to the location where you saved the cursor file and select it. After adding the cursor file, it will appear in the list of available cursors alongside the default options. Select the new cursor and click Apply to enable it. Now your mouse cursor will have a halo effect. That's it. You have successfully highlighted your mouse cursor using Windows native functionality. This method is simple and doesn't require installing any additional software. However, if you want more customization options, consider exploring the second method. I hope this tutorial helped guide you through the process of highlighting your mouse cursor. Feel free to leave any questions or comments, and thank you for watching.